Hey my friends, I was in Walmart looking for something to eat and passed by the meat section and saw this. And I like gizzards, so I said, hey, let me take those and do a little quick video to show my friends how that they can take something so simple, so cheap, and make it into a meal. And actually, that's what soul food is all about. This is a basic recipe on how to cook gizzards, so stay tuned. Before you put that video on pause or before you go to another video, trust me, if you say you cannot cook, this is something that you want to try. It's easy to do, they taste good. I don't know if it's an acquired taste, but they taste good. They're not nasty. They don't have any type flavor that you want to spit out, but they're a little chewy if you don't cook them right. But these are really good and they're economical, as you can see if you're on a budget. And they're good, trust me. Try this and I'm quite sure you might like it. Now, I just wanted something to snack on. I've been out today. I'm the urban soul chef, but I also am an IT technician. So I wanted a quick lunch, but I didn't want to pay much money. So I went in Walmart and I saw these, and they're normally $1, a little over $1, $2, $3, something like that. So I got them. It's gonna be quick and easy. And as I said, if you say you can't cook these, then you can start saying that I'm learning how to cook, or I can cook, because they're easy as boiling water. All right, let's get to cooking. Now I'm doing something a little extra. Now when you normally do this, you really don't need all of this. Really all you need is boiling water and some seasoning. But what I'm gonna add to mine, I'm gonna add some chopped onions, chopped celery, and some garlic. I'm gonna add these three to what I'm doing. But like I say, normally when you do this, all you need is boiling water and some seasoning. But you know, you gotta do a little extra. This boil about 2 minutes to get the flavor from these vegetables out into the water. It's kind of creating like a vegetable broth. All right, we're gonna let this boil about 2 minutes to get the flavor from these vegetables out into the water. It's kind of creating like a vegetable broth. All right, it's come to a good boil, and I'm going to add the gizzards. I've washed them off, and that's really actually about 2 cups of gizzards. Temperature of those gizzards and broth is watered down as far as the boil, but it's still hot. It's looking good. All right, and I'm gonna add some of my Urban Soul Chef's fried chicken herb and spices blend, which can be used for this as well. By the way, if you want some of this, you can go to my website and order it. It's excellent for frying chicken. It's excellent for what I'm doing now, baking. It's also good for chicken and dressing as well. Oh, this is going to be delicious. And I'm going to tell you a secret. If you make dirty rice, and if you use this recipe or this technique to get your gizzards, you're gonna have extra crunch, extra texture to your dirty rice. It normally works excellent when I do dirty rice. All right, we're gonna let this boil for at least 30 minutes and then come back and check it. Oh yeah, one last thing, I forgot to add a little salt. I forgot the seasoning is just seasoning with salt. It's gonna enhance out, bring out the flavor. add enough to give it flavor while it's boiling, and then you come back and once you test it, you know how much more to add, if you add any. Look at that. All right, it's done. You can put a fork in it. It is done. That broth is rich and it is delicious. So what that means is that you can use this in your other chicken recipes that, or your other recipes that rather call for chicken broth. And also, if you want to, you can just get this, put it in a bowl, and have chicken gizzard soup. I never heard of that, but you can do that. And also, this is good over rice as well. That's simple. It's that simple. All right, let's give it a try. Delicious. Chewy texture, but it holds the flavor. Is really good. This is really delicious. You gotta try this. Gotta try it. I must say, that was good. That was good. It hit the spot. You know, sometimes you want to eat something and you want it to hit the spot. That did it. That hit the spot. Easy recipe. Try it. And do me a favor. Share this video with a friend. They may never have ever heard of gizzards and may have never tried gizzards. So expose them to something new. And thanks again for tuning in to the Urban Soul Chef. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. God bless you.